don't play with me. Man.
Okay, back to another video sharing content. And I just sold another book, so shout out to you, Mr. Larry, on carls-garage.com, carls-garage.com. Check out the link in the description. I'm tired. I was just dancing with my daughter because we're super excited. We just sold another book. We are on our way to go pick up the actual hard copy of both books. So I got the book, Kia and Hyundai Engine, a guide to help you get your engine replaced. That's the book. Comes with the link with all the paperwork, all the lawsuit stuff, everything that you need to help get your engine replaced. And then on top of that, I wrote a script. Everything that you need to do to say specifically to the dealer to get them to replace your engine if you don't have that infamous KSDS. Yes, it's not impossible to get your engine replaced. If you don't have the KSDS, you can still get it done with my script. Nothing's guaranteed. They can still be a-holes. It's very tough, but the script walks you through it. And if they don't do it, you can rat on them and tell on them and scale it all the way up to Kia. All that information's in there. That book will be on the website today. Buy both books. That will definitely help you. Contact me, straight at the contact, email, everything will be down below, or info@carls-garage.com. So we're headed to the store right now to go pick up these copies. Let's go. No, it's never an argument over nothing. It's always your mama. She don't know how to hush. All she do is talk.
I got it in a clown.
Exactly. Talking.
Mr. Door handle.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. I got that on camera.
I don't argue with clowns.
Wow.
That's a very not nice
Wow.
grandmother.
Who does that to people on their special day?
Aw,
You're
why is
jealous.
it your special day?
Because I'm going to get my hard copies of my... Look at that.
He's gonna eat all
Look at
our
that
bugs.
lizard right there.
Let me
That
see.
is crazy.
Hello.
He is big.
Eat my bugs.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, don't go inside the house. You're not allowed.
that's a lime green. That's a pretty green.
That's
Those are
Texas.
the greens that we saw at
Turn on your AC.
I am, honey. Hold
There
on.
ain't no AC.
Can you show me the
Can you be
address?
patient?
Do you want to swing by? Whoa! Do you want to swing by the storage unit to maybe bring the clock?
Yeah, I do want to bring some of those suitcases too. I'm gonna grab those.
Okay. You want me to pop the hedge?
Pop the thing. Ford, come home here.
Helping your mom. I am too dressed. Liquid sweet
I don't know,
treats?
but they didn't check in.
Yeah. Show them what we packing out here in Texas.
You gotta check in on my block.
Yeah.
Only elote. Oh, this big.
Let him
Only
go.
elote,
You hit me, I'm about to get paid.
barbecue, and lemonade.
Exactly. Fucking bitches. Oh, I got the boys in the background. Photo bombing. I'm gonna have to block them out. All right, guys, listen. We are almost there, and again, I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you guys this script. That I've been so frustrated and telling people, yo, listen, you can't get it replaced unless you don't have the KSDS. You can't get it replaced unless you have the KSDS. And now you can't. Now we can force Kia, Hyundai to do the right thing because the car has the issue. The car has the issue, so you're gonna replace it. You, Kia, whatever dealership I have to go through is gonna replace the motor because there's something wrong with it. And that's just the right thing to do. So now you're gonna have a script. You're gonna have the first book, which has all the paperwork in it that you need. Then the second book has the script to say everything that you need to say, all the right things to help get your engine replaced by these sons of bitches. Yeah, I'm cussing in this video. I don't care. I don't Yeah, because I'm so frustrated. It's so aggravating. I want you guys to like really put pressure on them. This script has, you know, you can call the Better Business Bureau. You can escalate. That's what I love. I was like, you know what? What can we do to make sure that you can escalate? So if these dealers want to be assholes, you can say, all right, well, you know, I guess I got to go around you, and then you let the Kia hotline people know that this dealership is denying you. You have all your paperwork. Well, how do you have all your paperwork? How do you know about all this stuff? Because you already bought the first book, so you printed out all your paperwork for your specific car. So that's right. And this is really a 1-2 combo to knock out any issues for all those people out there who have been denied because your engine failed before you got their KSDS, which doesn't even save the motor. It doesn't do anything. It's just a stupid software, it's a stupid loophole that Kia Hyundai figured out in their lawsuit so that they can deny you, so that they don't have to keep replacing engines because they're replacing motors for free. And they don't want to do that, and those dealerships hate doing it. And Kia Hyundai does not want to keep spending money for these dealerships to keep doing it, so they created that loophole. But it doesn't, just because you don't have the KSDS, doesn't mean you can't get your engine replaced. So don't let them do that. So we're almost there. We're almost here to pick up the physical copy. And by the time this video comes out, both books will be available on Carl's Garage, carls-garage.com. There's a fly on my camera. Anyway, guys. Yeah. We are here at Office Depot, guys. We're here at Office Depot picking up the Carl's Garage book and the second book, the script. This script is going to be amazing. You guys are really going to be able to use this up. Let's go inside. There's a fly on my camera. All right, guys, so these are the two books. Let me move this out of the way. They are here. You got the OG handbook. This book right here, remember, I have it in hard copy because I'm going to do a lot of videos with this, but you will receive a digital copy. When you purchase this book online, you receive a digital copy, and in that link, you will have access to a bunch of files to all of the cars and all of the lawsuits and everything. You'll have a bunch of files that you could print out yourself at home and help you with your script here. So this is the new book, Carl's Garage. Let me open this up, take this little plastic thing off. Carl's Garage, Kia Hyundai script book. This book I wrote to help you if you do not have your KSDS. Right here, Knock Sensor Detection System KSDS, the software update designed to detect early signs of engine failure. Manufacturers use it as a gatekeeper for the lifetime engine warranty. So if you're a person pad 2, you don't have the KSDS, it's tougher, but it's not impossible. If you are going to come in here, we have a formal script letter. We also have a full script right here too. I'm gonna go ahead and close that up because I want you guys to buy the book, because this includes a script, and it will actually go all the way to the end. It's a script and information that you can use to also escalate your situation if they happen to deny you as well. So these are all the checklists that you're going to go by. You're going to check all of these things, and the number one thing is be persistent. Call your case manager weekly, document every call. Yes. This is going to help you with everything that you need, both of these books, with everything that you need to get your engine replaced. So it's going to be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one, because I'll be going over everything in a lot of detail.